Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Name of the channel is Punny Metals. This is your pal here, Punny Metals. All right, guys, all types of assets out there. If you look through my channel, I'm mostly displaying gold and silver assets. Those are hard assets, but I'm asset crazy. Okay, I like income producing assets. I like other hard assets such as memorabilia and antiques, and then I like what they call paper assets as in stocks and bonds and CDs. I dig it all. I like making that dollar work. I believe silver and gold should be your foundation, but there's this huge in between time where you can just make some good money real quick, and you want to roll with the punches too. And I'm going to point out some Donald Trump stocks, okay? Um, Political opinions aside, um, you can either cry about it or you can kind of roll with the punches, you know what I'm saying, maneuver and get in on some of this money. So we're just gonna leave all, I don't care who you voted for, it is what it is, and you should really cash in while you can. All right, guys. So I found this article on investorplace.com, and it points out seven stocks. I picked out about, I think, four stocks that I really was into, and I also have a previous video where I point out some different stocks that I kind of found on my own. All right, guys. So they suggest Caterpillar. All right. You got to remember who Donald Trump was. He's not just a reality TV show. The man was a real estate developer for many years, and he wants to build up the country. He wants to really spend money on our whole infrastructure. I mean, let's say he is a bad president. I'll tell you this: the man is a builder, and he has proven it for years. That's what he does. So right here, Caterpillar, smart buy, and I pulled up the price on that right here. It's at 102. You can see I went max over 5 years. You can see it kind of fluctuated. Around here is before the election, and it's at 102. It still has a good possibility of growing, and it's been lower in the past, but it only seems to be on the rise. There's a lot of work to be done, and I'm not the only one that feels that Caterpillar would be a smart buy under Donald Trump. All right, next. All right, Kinder Morgan. Basically, these guys are operating 84,000 miles of pipeline. Okay, personally, I have uh I have mixed feelings about the whole pipeline. I mean, they're building right through the poor Native Americans' land. I don't think that's right. But I'm also a hypocrite because I've been owning pipeline stocks for quite a while, and they pay excellent dividends. And apparently Donald Trump doesn't care. He doesn't give a shit. So with that being said, you might want to grab up some of these stocks because you can either cry about it or you can just go on and eat. Get this money, take the money, put it to work. That's what you do. You maneuver, and then, if you want to help somebody who is Native American, maybe they built through these people's land, you can do it. Turn those dividends on them. Here we go. It's Kinder Morgan. I'd say it's a good buy. So is this article. And I have their prices right here. It's time low, but with the green light on him not caring, and him building wherever the hell he pleases, you can see it probably going to do nothing but rise. It's at it's been around here. It's been at 13, and it's at 20. And for the most part, for many years, it's always been in the 30s up to 40. So I'm thinking it could double easy. All right, guys. Next. All right, Boeing. Uh, Boeing. They lead in a lot of stuff. They build. They basically build a lot of how do you say? A lot of different sort of planes. And what it says right here is they want to knock out ISIS. And our president has a military strategist who's been working with Boeing, and with the economic growth, they plan to basically continue to build F-15 and F-18 fighter jets. Okay, um, this is an American company, and they're leading in jets. They're leading in these larger planes, and with all the bombing that is going on now, and which will probably continue, um, you know, you might want to grab up some Boeing. Plus, I liked them in the past. I actually own some of them because what they're doing with space, they're doing some real big things there, and you can't really get into a lot of like NASA. NASA's not public, you know, but these people work with like NASA, and it's a smart buy if you ask me. I agree. So is this article. All right, next. Oh, right here, Boeing. That's why it's at all-time high. It's never seen these highs before, so you might want to grab some up while you can. Maybe one day it's up there like Amazon. And another thing, they're actually doing like with what Trump is doing with taxes, he's going to cut so many taxes that there's going to be so much more money that people are going to be spending basically all around. And Amazon was also suggested, and a whole bunch of different like merchants and you know, like JC Penney's, stuff like that, because people are just gonna have that flow now because he's gonna cut so many taxes. All right, guys, I've done this one before. U.S. Steel. I mean, if you listen to the man, he keeps saying everything must be U.S. built. He wants U.S. pipeline with the wall. They're basically gonna use U.S. Steel. So I pulled up the prices on that real quick, and before his presidency in 2016, early 2016, you could have jumped in and grabbed it at like $7. Right now it's at 20. It's shot up to wow. Whatever happened in 2008 is looking like it might happen again. If you know what happened in 2008, please tell me. I'd love to hear. But yeah, wrapping it up. Caterpillar, buy. Kinder Morgan, smart buy for the pipelines. Boeing, can't go wrong with Boeing, seeing an all-time high. U.S. Steel, support your country, buy it up. All right, guys. Also, I want to thank you guys. The channel's doing great. I'm at almost 815 subs, so I can't thank you guys enough. Check through my channel. There's tons of precious metals in there. I got some. I did a silver and gold unboxing maybe a week ago, and then I've been diving into stocks lately. One thing that's been helping me buy more gold and more silver is I've been doing these surveys online. They're 100% free, as in no credit card or PayPal. You just sign up, give them your info, and you can dive on in. A lot of these little surveys, they only pay like 75 cents or maybe $3, but you know, you spend a couple hours doing them and you'll have like $50 or whatever, and it's just extra income. Easy silver, easy gold. I'm gonna put the link in the description if that's something you want to check out. Otherwise, like, sub, share, leave some comments, and take care.